GASGASMC 250F Factory Edition, and made it even better for 2024. Now equipped with some game-changing tech and with a load of refined components, the performance of this bike is simply off the scale. A new connectivity unit means the bike's power can be customized to suit individual riders, by using the easy-to-use GASGAS Plus app on a phone. Neken handlebar. The black Neken bars feature a comfortable, modern bend and a strong yet flexible fuel tank. Exclusive to the factory edition models is the smaller fuel tank. Factory start device helping you grab the all-important hole shot. Troy Lee designs, Red Bull, GASGAS Factory Racing graphics. Factory seat are new, red and blue, full gripper seat cover matches the graphics. Engine. 249.9 cc, EMS Neken, 1-cylinder, 4-stroke engine. 44mm Neken throttle body Hinson clutch cover, factory racing skid plate. Frame. New, redesigned motor mounts, finished with a black anodizing for a true race team look. The redesigned frame protection kit protects the frame. Factory racing triple clamps. Just looking at our factory racing triple clamps will get you excited about hitting the track. Front suspension. Built for serious races, the WP 48mm split design air forks. Rear shock. The linkage has been updated for 2024 with new seals to reduce friction. Akrapovic slip-on. Essential for building a factory racing replica dirt bike, the MC 250F Factory Edition is fitted with the latest version of the Akrapovic slip-on line silencer. Drivetrain. It's only right that the rear factory wheel has a black anodized aluminum sprocket to replicate the race team look. Factory wheels. Seriously great looking, great performing wheels. With CNC-machined, red anodized hubs, super strong spokes, and DID dirt star rim. Dunlop's new Geomax MX34. Bodywork. This factory edition's bodywork not only looks awesome, but it helps you to ride awesome too. A modern rider triangle makes your movement on the bike super easy, and with plenty of touch points for gripping the bike with your legs, you'll benefit from reduced fatigue, which means increased riding time. A larger rear fender keeps more mud at bay, while the front fender blends nicely into the front number plate. Topping things off is a red tank cover and a new seat cover, which features additional ribs to keep you planted firmly in place as you get on the gas.